Good afternoon. Chapter Continuity and Differentiability, exercise 5.8. So first, statement of the Rolle's theorem. So what is the statement of the Rolle's theorem? Rolle's theorem is okay. So first statement of the Rolle's theorem. Let f be a real function. F be a real function defined on closed interval a comma b in the closed interval, defined on closed interval a comma b, okay, closed interval, that means including a and b, such that conditions are: number one, the first condition is f is continuous. F is continuous on the closed interval AB on a comma b closed interval. Number two, f is differentiable. F is differentiable on open interval AB okay. So first condition is f is continuous on closed interval AB, and then f is differentiable on open interval AB, and number three, fa equal to fb, fa equal to f of b, okay. Then there exists a real number or real value c, and c, what is c? C is a point between the interval a comma b in the open interval. C belongs to a comma b in the open interval between, okay, such that such that f dash c equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay? That means first order derivative at that point at c equal to 0. So what is the statement of the Rolle's theorem? Statement is, let f be any real function defined on the closed interval ab be any point, any two point a and b. First condition is f is continuous on closed interval ab. Second condition is f is differentiable on open interval ab, and third condition is fa equal to fb. Okay, if these all three conditions are satisfied, then there exists a real number c belongs to a comma b in the open interval. That means c between a and b, such that f dash c equal to 0. That means first derivative of the given function at that point, at c point, okay, equal to 0. So this is the statement of the Rolle's theorem. Okay? Write down this. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Write down this statement.
Okay, sir.
Next is mean value theorem. Statement of the mean value theorem. Written?
Yes, sir.
no, sir, right.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, mean value theorem, MVT. Statement of the mean value theorem. Okay? So, first two conditions are same. Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Okay? So first to write, let f be a real function defined on closed interval AB, okay, such that Number one condition is f is continuous on closed interval AB. F is continuous on closed interval AB. Number two, F is differentiable on open interval AB. Okay, continuous on closed interval and differentiable on open interval. That means first two conditions are same. Then there exists a real number C belongs to AB. C belongs to AB in the open interval. Okay, such that f dash C equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. F of B minus F of A F of B minus F of A divided by B minus A. Okay, so first two conditions are same, both the theorem statement. First condition is f is continuous on closed interval AB and f is differentiable on open interval AB, and then there exists a real number C and C between A and B in the open interval, that means between AB, such that f dash C equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. This is the mean value theorem, MVT. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say f dash C equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. Okay, hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down this. By using these two theorem, okay, we will do exercise. Exercise 5.8. Okay, written.
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Next, exercise 5.8. Question number 1. See. So question is verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to x square minus 2x minus 8, where x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So this fx function is given, that is f, and minus 4 comma 2 means a equal to minus 4 and b equal to 2. in the statement it is given no a comma b. So minus 4 comma 2 ab. Okay. So this fx x square. So verify Rolle's theorem. For fx equal to x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x minus 8, x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So a equal to minus 4, b equal to 2, and this is the function. So Rolle's theorem, that means 3 condition. Okay. So if 3 conditions are satisfied, then we can say Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay. So one by one we have to show. So fx is function is x square minus 2x minus 8. So this is what type of function? Solution. This is okay. Since fx is a polynomial function, this is polynomial function. Since fx is a polynomial function, and we know polynomial function is continuous and differentiable. So number 1, then fx is continuous on we know continuous is closed interval, that is minus 4 comma 2. Continuous. Number 2 condition, fx is differentiable on open interval minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So continuous on closed interval minus 4 comma 2 and differentiable on open interval minus 4 comma 2. And number 3 condition is we know fa equal to fb. So a means minus 4. So find f of minus 4 first. F of minus 4. fa. What is the value of f of minus 4? Put x equal to minus 4. So put x equal to minus 4 square, that is 16. 16 minus 2 into minus 4, that is 2 into minus 4 minus 8. So minus minus plus 8. Plus 8 minus 8. Minus 8. X equal to minus 4. What is the question? Plus 2x. Okay. See your book. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tell. See your book. Plus 2x now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Plus 2.
Plus 2x. Then x is minus 4. Then minus.
Minus 2x minus.
So minus 8 no.
Minus 8.
It is minus 8. It is minus 8 because plus 2x question. So minus 8 equal to 16 minus 8 16 equal to 0. Okay. This is FA.
Yes, sir.
FB find f of b. B means 2.
We mean 2. So equal to 2 square, it is 4. Plus 2 into 2 plus 4 minus 8 equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So FA equal to FB, no? Both are same, 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Therefore f of minus 4 equal to f of 2. Okay. So third condition also satisfied? Yes? Now,
Yes, sir.
so all three conditions are satisfied now? All three
Yes,
conditions.
sir.
So, okay. So,
Yes, sir.
so all three conditions are okay. Then there exists a then what is the theorem? Then there exists a
As that C is equal to 0.
exists a point C, and C belongs to minus 4 comma 2.
Open interval minus 4 to 2.
Then there exists a point C such that what is the condition? Such that
F dash C will be 0.
yes, f dash C equal to 0. Okay. Now f dash C how to find? So find its derivative. Now what is the question? Fx equal to x square plus 2x, no, minus 8. So f dash x equal to its derivative equal to what is the
2x
derivative?
plus
2x and plus 2x, that is plus 2, no?
2. Yes, sir.
And 8 constant derivative is 0. So 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. So
Yes,
this means
sir.
put x equal to c, that is f dash c equal to 2c plus 2, no? Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2c plus 2 because x equal to c. Now this imply f dash c equal to 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So f dash c equal to 0, that means 2c plus 2 equal to 0, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is c equal to?
Minus 1.
Yes, minus 2 by 2, minus 1. So minus 1. So minus 1 is a point. Minus 1 between minus 4 to 2 or not? Minus 1
Yes, sir.
between. So we can write this belongs to minus 4 comma 2, no? Okay. See. Because minus 4 comma 2 means minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, no? So minus 1 is there.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 comma 2 is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So question is, it is verified or not? So Rolle's theorem is verified. Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? All of you understand how to solve
Yes,
this
sir.
question? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you see the question number 3. If you know the statement, no, then you can do this type question. So question number 3 is, if such that minus 5 comma 5 close interval, okay, this tends to R, real number, is a differentiable function, is a differentiable function, okay, and if f dash x does not vanish, anywhere, then prove that f of minus 5 not equal to f of 5. F of 5. Is okay question paper? Yes? This question is okay? Correct? Minus 5 comma 5 tends to R, real number, and close interval minus 5 comma 5. A is minus 5, B is 5. So it is given question, it is differentiable and close interval also, that means continuous also, okay? And if f dash x that does not vanish means not equal to 0. Okay, clear question? F dash x not equal to 0 anywhere, then prove f of minus 5, that means fn not equal to f of b. Okay, so it is given f dash x not equal to 0, given f dash x not vanish, then not equal to 0. So this means f dash c not equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
F dash c not equal to 0. Okay. Now also given fx is continuous and differentiable. Also given f is continuous and differentiable. Okay. So first two conditions are satisfied now. Continuous, differentiable. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And also f dash x not equal to 0. Also. So first two conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. First two conditions.
Yes, sir.
So First, two conditions of Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem are satisfied okay. So what is the Rolle's theorem at last? Remember, Rolle's theorem at last?
That f of A is equal to f of B, and if it is equal, then C will belong to open interval A, B, and f dash C will be 0.
And f dash C equal to 0. No?
0.
Okay. So first two conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Okay. But f dash C not equal to 0. And
Yes, sir.
satisfied, but f dash C not equal to 0. Then which condition is not satisfied? Tell. First two conditions satisfied, and last conclusion is not equal to 0. So now we can say no, third condition is not satisfied. That means for that f dash C not equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First two conditions satisfied. Then what is the wrong here? Third condition. So third condition is not satisfied. Third condition is not satisfied. Hence, third condition not satisfied means hence
F of A is not equal to f of B.
yes, f of A is not equal to f of B, and f of A not equal to f of B means
F of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5.
yes, f of minus 5, because of this question f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. Okay, so therefore f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. Okay, this proved. Okay, all of you understand? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, today practice this all, and tomorrow rest of the question we will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.